guys, and welcome to my channel, How to Housewife. If you haven't already become part of my exclusive VIP club, make sure you hit the subscribe button now. Today we are making what is a staple in my family, pancakes. This is something I like to whip up on a Saturday morning for my boys, and it's so easy. Grab 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 cup of milk, 15 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 egg. So it's just me and my 2 kids today, so I'm only going to make a single batch. If you have more than 2 people or you're just very hungry, then double it. So we're going to start with making a cup of tea. And then we're going to sift the flour. So we've got 1 cup of self-raising flour. And add your 1 tablespoon of sugar. And we're going to melt a tablespoon of butter. And just pour it over the flour. So add the egg. And about half a teaspoon of salt. Let's just give it a little mix. Pour the milk in. And let's beat that batter. Woo! I'm like an electric beater. Okay, so this is our batter. We're about to start frying the pancakes up, and you probably don't want to pour the batter directly out of the bowl. You can if you want, but it gets a little messy. So I have a pancake distribution system. I don't actually know what it's called, but you squeeze the handle and the batter comes out mess-free, and when you let it go, it closes off. Your other option is a jug with a spout. So I'm going to pour the batter into my little device. Pop the lid on and we're ready to go. So add some oil to your pan, and I just spread it around with a paper towel. And you want the pan on a low to moderate heat. So I've sped up the cooking. It's actually really interesting to watch on high speed. The bubbles are kind of like whack-a-mole. Pop, pop, pop. I don't know, I think it's cool. Maybe I need to get out more. Okay, so we're almost ready to flip. It's looking pretty good. And here we go. Oh, that is so beautiful. Nice and golden. Didn't make a mess of the pan. So leave that on the other side for about 30 seconds. And you're done. And repeat until you run out of batter. So today I wanted to do something a little bit different. When you read a recipe, you have your ingredients, your method, and then often you have some notes. I wanted to give you the notes in person. So today we made pancakes. With my recipe of pancakes, I use self-raising flour, and I find that it rises and makes it a little bit fluffier. If you only have plain flour, you can also add 2 teaspoons of baking powder to make this happen. With pancakes, you also want to make sure that you've got a good pan that doesn't stick and plenty of oil. I have made some in the past with some bad pans and they did not work out. The other thing you want to look at is how many pancakes you're going to end up with. This batch gives me 3 of the large pancakes. And that's enough for most of the time. When we've got some extra people, I double or triple batch it. I hope you enjoyed it today. Let me know if you like the extra bonus feature at the end of the video. I'll do it for a few videos just to see, and if you guys like it, I'll keep doing it. If not, I'll think of something else. Have a great day and don't forget to subscribe.